All right, here we are again. New PCM is installed. I still have the back pins, back probes in, which I will be obviously removing once I put the covers back on. Guys, that you can use a scan tool in order to write the VIN, which I'm sure you can, but not with this expensive scan tool right here. That would not allow me to do it. I'm pretty sure I didn't try the Autel. I know the Autel, I'm pretty sure would do it. I just went ahead and grabbed my Cardac 2, hooked it up to the DLC into the laptop. I just wanted to show you guys real quick how you can do this. Like I said, at least with my Varus, or my Zeus I should say, it would not allow me to do it. But you go into the toolbox, if you have a Drew Technologies, go into the toolbox, and as you can see, the key is on right now, just so you guys can, key is on, check engine light is on, the no bus message is gone. So this is loaded. Go up to North America and down to Chrysler. And there is things that you can pick from as far as the skim instructions. Wow, what the hell is that? But anyway, so we're gonna go into, I don't know if you guys can see that, ECU VIN reset. Click on that. I'm gonna read the VIN, turn the key on. Right now it's gonna pull the VIN that's in the PCM, and it pulled the VIN, the correct VIN for this vehicle. Man, it is not staying steady. Sorry, guys. And the reason it did that is because I went down here to write ECM VIN. So I wrote the VIN. So it has the current VIN inside of it. And just to double check, I just hit the read VIN. It pops up with the correct VIN. So it accepted the VIN that's inside there. And moment of truth. We have a check engine light. Vehicle starts. We can also go in here, if I can hold you guys steady. And we can use this just to kind of see what code's in there real quick. Diagnostic trouble codes, read. Throttle pedal position sensor circuit. All right. And in order to clear codes on a Chrysler, which I'm sure all you guys know, but the ones that don't know, vehicle does have to be off. You cannot cheat it. It will not clear. Okay, read them. No DTCs. No DTCs. We do have an ABS light flashing. That is a separate issue. I may or may not look into that depending on what the customer approves of. So that right there is a fix, guys. Pretty simple. it's always nice when it's that easy to replace a PCM with that kind of confidence and stuff. So again, thanks for watching. Part 2, we out.